Welcome to our channel. If you need to use the HDMI ports on your hotel TV to connect your own streaming device or laptop, follow these step-by-step instructions for proper connection and input selection. Step 1. Locate the HDMI ports on your hotel TV. They're typically found on the back or side panel of the TV. Some hotels may have an accessible HDMI port on the front or side for guest convenience. Step 2. Inspect the available HDMI ports and note their labels, such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or HDMI 3. Some ports may be labeled with specific purposes like HDMI ARC or HDMI DVI. Step 3. Connect your streaming device, laptop, or gaming console to an available HDMI port. Insert the HDMI cable firmly until it clicks into place. Step 4. Power on your external device before turning on the TV or while the TV is already on. Ensure your device is actively outputting a video signal. Step 5. Turn on the hotel TV using the remote control or power button on the TV itself. Wait for the TV to fully boot up. Step 6. Locate the input, source, or HDMI button on the hotel TV remote. This button may be labeled differently depending on the TV brand. Step 7. Press the input or source button repeatedly to cycle through available input sources. Watch the TV screen as it switches between different inputs. Step 8. Continue pressing until you see your device's display on the screen. The TV should show the input name, such as HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, when you've selected the correct source. Step 9. If you don't see your device after cycling through all inputs, verify that your HDMI cable is securely connected at both ends and that your device is powered on and outputting video. Step 10. Some hotel TVs have restricted settings that may disable certain HDMI ports. If you can't access a specific port, try a different HDMI input or contact hotel staff for assistance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.